Gotta be. Oh, I had one. I didn't know I had him, and I let it go until I saw the flash out there. I thought I had moss. Hey guys, Brian with Be a Little Fishing here, out at 3 Pound Pond to do a little fishing this evening before it gets dark. John Austin is making his way down here. He is going to be fishing with my new Lew's Xfinity combo. He's got a bird nest in his, and it's pretty crazy. So, walking up to the pond, just spooked something really big in the shallows that took off, and going to see if we can't get after it. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Right over here is where we saw that big fish taking off as I walked up. You'll see this on this week's Tackle Tuesday, but I just picked up this new umbrella rig. This is the Yum Umbrella Flash Mob Junior from Yum Baits. I've got 5 hooks on there. I have no idea how it's going to work in this pond, but I'm going to throw it around anyhow, see if we can't get some action on it. I've never thrown an actual umbrella rig, just the live target bait ball. So we'll have to see how this guy does. Man, that is a lot of weight on that pole. All those swim baits on there. Man, that action is so cool. Seeing that in the water. Holy cow, that's cool. It's cloudy out today, just like it was yesterday. There's a 50% chance of rain this evening. So, hoping. That's where I wanted to go. We do not get any of that rain. I have a feeling if I get anywhere near a bass with this thing, it's going to get absolutely crushed. Got rod number 2 here, the old spinnerbait, the Nest Raider Craw Pond Magic. Give this guy a couple of throws. I actually got my rain jacket in the car. I'm like, man, I can't go get a rain jacket on if John Austin's going to stand over there in shorts and a sweatshirt and not wear a rain jacket. There we go. There we go. That guy wanted it. Get him in. Drag's just a little bit loose. That's okay. You keep the line nice and tight. There we go. On the Pond Magic. Healthy fish. Look at that guy right there. Super healthy. Good looking guy right there. A little bit of a belly. On the Pond Magic Nest Raider. I don't know if I could have got that guy on the bait on the Alabama rig, is where I was throwing. And I don't know, it might be too unnatural for him in this pond to go after something like that. Oh man, there's a few of them in that spot right there. That's the same spot where I just caught that other guy. Definitely a different bass, but Man, he schwacked it. Number 2, the rain bass. You guys got a nice little gut on him. Number 2, rain bass. All right, there you go, buddy. Thanks for playing. Okay, well, so something going on right out there. Got both of those guys in almost the same exact spot. Let's see if there's triplets or just twins out there. All right, let's go, Buster. Catch a nice trophy-sized leaf there, a little bit of moss. And that is how we're gonna end this one. All right, guys, just finished up about an hour of fishing at 3 Pound Pond. It rained on us probably about 75% of the time we were there, but didn't slow us down. I stayed on this one side of the pond. John Austin worked his way around the whole pond. Got a few bites, caught 2 bass, lost one, and on the little Pond Magic spinnerbait. And John Austin fished a couple different things, salamander bait, spinnerbait, and unfortunately didn't get any bites. So, you know, that's okay. We're out here to have fun, and we had a lot of fun. I did throw that the new Umbrella Alabama rig around for a while. The action is phenomenal. This isn't really the right place to fish it. It's so shallow and there's so much moss just right below the surface. Then I ended up bird nesting it during a cast, just, you know, being lazy about the way I was casting, so my fault. But it's about 55 degrees, rainy, it's cold, and we're gonna go home, get some dinner, and get something warm to drink. All right? Appreciate you coming along for the journey. Go out, do some fishing. Have a great day.